What is up, guys? This is Chris, aka No Risk, No Premium. And what is happening? Welcome back to an episode of the 2 Minute Drill. If you tapped in to the Sunday sermon yesterday, we said 50 MA was in play. The ES chart tapped it overnight. Not showing here, but the pre-market, overnight and pre-market from Sunday SPY just about kissed it. And now we have an interesting candle here on this daily. Um, some would argue it is a inverted hammer, daily hammer candle, which would be bullish. To me, usually it's more of a solid body with no lower wick to the bottom side. So I did some digging just to see, and they said it can have little or no lower wick. Okay, sometimes can show a reversal. Okay, here it is shown in an example down here. You can see there is a little wick on there. Okay, so tomorrow, and I wouldn't mind us getting a reversal here, and here's why. Because I think the best R&R to stay short, if you believe more downside is coming, is going to be taking a stab short at either 408, 410, or 412. I really like the 410 level to take a short at. As you can see over here, we can show it was huge support previously in this area, and then we bounced off of 410, 412. So I'd be looking at 410 or 412 to take a stab short if we were able to make it all the way up there. As you can see today, this orange dotted line, we did reject that candle down there. Okay. I still think we still need to technically touch the 50 MA for SPY in real-time trading hours. Does that come tomorrow? I have no idea. We do have a ton of economic data at the end of the week, but for right now, I would think this 400 to 401 level is going to be possibly a local bottom for the week. And it would make sense if the pain trade went a little bit higher against everyone, right? So above 401, we'll call it 401, 400. You've got 406 where we stopped out today. Over 406, we do 408, 410, 412. I really like all of those levels for a potential short. You'll just need to see the reaction there. Okay. And I believe underneath, as long as we are underneath 412, we are in still sell the rip territory. And here's why. Basically, that spot there was where we had that breakdown. Oh, excuse me, 410. 410 is where we had basically the breakdown, right? You check the chart here, couple bounces off that bottom, and then when we finally broke, right, we tried to get back above and said night night. Okay, so 410, well, really between 410 and 412, I would say we are still in sell the rip territory under there. So I would not mind seeing the back test of this 410. This is probably going to be my favorite area to possibly take a short if we can get up there. Okay, if we do want to get underneath the 50 MA for some reason, I'm looking at, so we have wherever this opens up tomorrow, the 50-day, probably right at about 400 areas. So we go 400, 396, 392, 389, 384. Okay, downside levels, but upside, I would not mind if we got a little pop, maybe possible gap up to this area. Okay, and we could get a back test off the previous day's high, maybe get long to 410. That could be a great trade possibility. Then we could flip short right at 410, 412 area, depending where we get. All right, guys, get your levels right. Get up early. Okay, map the pre-market highs and lows, and don't do anything stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.